Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create metallic gradient for luxury text. Let's make a metallic gradient for gold or silver effects. Type your text in a bold serif font. Double click the layer to open blending option. Click on gradient overlay and then edit gradient. Choose a mix of yellow, orange and white stripes for gold. For silver, use grey, white and light blue tones. Set the style to linear and adjust the angle for light direction. Increase scale for smoother transitions. Lower the opacity slightly for a neutral natural sheen. Add a soft shadow to separate the text from background. Duplicate the layer for extra reflection.